Today we're talking about anxiety and public speaking. Hey, it's Tom Jackobs. Today we're talking about a common thing that I hear from all the speakers that I work with, coaches, people that want to speak from the stage. They get anxious about it. And maybe you've been in that situation before. I know I certainly have. And it can be very distracting. It can be very limiting as well, because if you weren't anxious about doing something like speaking from the stage and building your product and selling more of your product or service from the stage, then if you're anxious about it, you're probably not going to do a very good job, and your audience will see that you're nervous and you're going to shake and all of this. Well, I got to tell you, there's some very simple things that you can do to make sure that you control that anxiety. And still, to this day, I get nervous, and I use air quotes with that because that's the feeling that most people associate with that butterflies in the stomach, the heart beating, and all that. I have reprogrammed my brain to take that feeling and associate it with excitement, because it's the same physiological experience. Being nervous or being excited, the heart is racing fast, you got butterflies in your stomach, that adrenaline is rushing around. That's excitement to me, and I'm excited to share my message with tons of people, whether that's in front of the camera or it's in front of a crowd. That is excitement to me. And it took a while to actually reprogram myself and say, well, I'm not nervous, I'm excited. And I would suggest that that's the number one thing that you need to do if you get really anxious about giving talks. Reprogram yourself and say, hey, this isn't nerves, this is excitement, and I'm excited to share my message. The second simple tip, and you've probably heard this over and over and over again, but it's worth repeating over and over and over again, and that's preparation. If you are prepared to give your talk, and you've rehearsed it, and you know exactly what to say, when to say it, how to say it, where to stand, even on the stage or in front of the camera, how you've blocked yourself and movement and all of that, well, then you're not going to be as nervous because you've prepared for your talk. And it's going to roll off your tongue. You're not going to be worried about missing something or not going in the right order or completely flubbing and forgetting what you were going to say in the first place. So preparation is absolutely, absolutely key. And then reprogramming your brain to think about that nerve as actual excitement. Excited! I'm excited to give my message to the world. And you should be too. That's not nerves, that's excitement. And then preparation. So I hope those tips help. You can check out more at tomjacobs.com. And if you would do me a favor and subscribe to the channel, that really helps to get the word out and also lets you know when I publish new videos. And if you would like to speak to me one-on-one about your speaking business or wanting to get into speaking, I'd be happy to talk to you about storytelling and selling from the stage and building your business using speaking. And to do that, just schedule yourself for an impact call. The link's below in the comment section, and I look forward to helping you soon.